How to turn on or turn off private sharing on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now go to the app that you want to share. So let's say I want to share some pictures in gallery. So I go into gallery, then select a picture that you want to share or a video that you want to share. Next, tap on the share button. Once you are in this sharing panel, select quick share. Then in quick share, tap on the more button at the top here. And from the pop-up, you can turn on private sharing. So tap on turn on private sharing. Here, it is now turned on. So here files you share are encrypted and expire after the time you set. After that, choose a contact that you want to share it with, or choose a device that you want to share it with. So here I will tap on a device that I want to share it with. And now you can see the file will be sending to the cloud, and after that it will be shared to that particular device or a contact. And that is how you can turn on private sharing. To turn it off, all you have to do is just simply tap on the more button, then tap on turn off private sharing. Here you can also set expiration date. So before you share, just select the expiration date and then tap on done. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.